Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. It is currently 2:33 and today I'm gonna be hanging with my boo. We're going to look at this car. I think it's like almost 2 hours away. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I was planning on working today, but he wanted me to come along with him. So, of course, me being me, I said yes. So, honestly, I'm ready to go. I was gonna retwist the front of my hair, but I don't wanna start retwisting my hair and then he be like, I'm here. So, I'm ready to go. I just have on something simple. Like I said in the previous vlog, bro, wintertime, it's not my time to shine when it comes to like getting dressed. Like, just look real basic. Spring and summer is when I pop out and look real cute. I just have on this white bodysuit with some jeans and my brown Uggs. And I'm probably gonna put on my purple coat. I was gonna put on my green coat, but I guess I gave it away because I don't see it in my closet. But I'm feeling good today. I just finished eating some breakfast. I should actually wash these dishes because he hasn't texted me and said he's on his way. So I might have time. I had some potatoes and eggs. Hopefully I can get some footage today. I guess whenever I'm in a car, I'll come back. I don't know. I'm so spoiled. Got him in the store getting me something to drink because I'm so thirsty. What should I do to my hair next? Maybe I should actually do the curly ponytail I was talking about. That would be so cute. But I really love my twist. I'm not gonna lie. And it's crazy because when I had went to my aunt's birthday dinner, my cousin was like, I should get locks. And I'm like, I'm gonna get them in the future. So somebody see the vision. Definitely gonna get some locks. But I don't know, I think I might do the ponytail next. I don't know, my birthday coming up. Maybe I could get him to get my hair done. I could definitely go for some braids. Y'all know my signature look. And the girl that did my hair last time, she done moved closer. She lived in the city that I used to live in, so maybe I can get my hair done for my birthday. Yeah, I gotta figure that out. I used to drink these literally every day in high school. I was known as the girl that would have snacks and vitamin water. This is literally my favorite. Then he got this water. Never had this water before. Stop.
Out west style, no onions, add cheese.
Ate all my food.
Internet is freaking out about is in court in his police statement. He says YSL is a gang.
I'm hungry.
We had a drug in the car, and none of that was mine. So
now I'm trying
if the lawyer is right that those statements can't be used in court.
House now, y'all. I cannot believe I ate all my freaking food, and I don't know if y'all can see, but I have to hop in the shower. That's why I got this towel around me. But this is all the milkshake that I have left. I literally ate all my food and just about all my milkshake. That is crazy. One of my goals for 2023 is to eat more and exercise. And I want to eat more fruits. Today went good for him. He got his car. He'll get it. I don't want to put his business out there, but he got the car and he'll have it this week coming in. They just have to do the inspection and then it's good to go. But it's paid for and it's his. So I'm definitely happy for him about that, because he has been talking about how he wanted a new car for a while now. So I'm so happy. I love fast cars and stuff. It sounds so nice and it drives really, really nice. It's amazing inside. In my next car, I really want a black car. And he got a black car. So I'm in love. So now his car is gonna be the car that we ride it in. Okay, whenever we go places, his car is the car. We're gonna leave my baby here looking handsome and take care. One day I'm gonna wake up to a very beautiful view. Like floor to ceiling windows. Nice view. But this is the view right here, you know? Grateful to be waking up in my own apartment. It is now Sunday and I've been up for probably like an hour now, and this is what I just received 12 minutes ago. We got another pair of shoes sold. Those ones on the top are gone out of here. I'm definitely excited about that. Now I'm about to bet on my team, the Cowboys, and see if they can get me some money today. I sound so crazy right now. I need to get up. So today I plan on going outside and working. Sunday is usually a good money making day. So hopefully I can force myself to get up soon because it's still early. If I get up soon, I can make a good amount of money today. I did tell my grandma that I was coming down there today, but I don't know if I feel like it. So it might not be today. Or if it is today, it might be later tonight. I don't know. But I'm feeling good today. So I'm about to sit here and do this, and then I'm gonna get up and make myself some breakfast and then start my day. No, in that last clip, I was like, you know, I'm feeling good today, or whatever the hell I said. I said something like that. Well, now I'm annoyed and I don't want to be outside. It is now 5:52 and I'm honestly thinking about going back in the house. I'm not feeling it, like, at all. I don't want to be outside. I'm very annoyed. This vlog is probably about to be very, very short, and I do apologize about that, but I'm not finna sit here and force myself to film when I don't feel like doing anything at all. Like, I'm just not feeling it right now. Like, I'm not feeling it. Should I do this order? It's only $11 though. 11 is not good for 2 people. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna do it. This might be my only order. We taking an $11 order, 2 customers, 3.5 miles. This is not good at all, but maybe I probably should never did this. Yeah, I just took a $5 order. Do I really want to do this? Let's just do it. I took it. I should never take it because I know $11 orders for 2 people is not good, but I'm gonna just do it, bro. This is probably gonna be my only order. Then I'm going in the house because I don't feel like being outside. I'm not in the mood. So this is from Juan's and Volcano Hibachi. I got both of the orders right here. Let's see. I am 4 minutes away from the first customer, which is the one. So the first order is dropped off. It actually went up to $7, so I'm not mad about the order anymore. This next one will probably stay at $5. I was to get some drop-off action. Ooh, look at this house. But the lady met me outside. She was real nice. So now I am 2 minutes away from the next drop-off. I honestly might stay out longer. I don't know, bruh. It's like Feeling real iffy.
Look at this house.